Hello everyone. You're on the Alex Trade channel. This is a continuation of the topic, and if you haven't watched the first part, make sure to go back and watch it. In this video, we'll figure out how to choose or create your own strategy and what to do to avoid losing your deposit at the start. We'll break everything down step by step. Let's go. We start with the fact that in the last video, we closed our position on the British pound to US dollar for a decline with a good profit, and continue working further. Considering the current local trend, we request a signal from the bot again. On the 5-minute time frame, we receive a recommendation to sell this asset. Without delay, we open a position for a decline, and continue to follow the trend. The first rule: the strategy must match your character and lifestyle. You can't trade intraday if you don't have time to sit at the screen, or an aggressive model won't suit you if you're naturally cautious. Consider your psychology, schedule, and the level of stress you're ready to endure. Study several basic approaches: trend strategies, support and resistance levels, candlestick patterns, indicators. Try them on a demo. See where you feel comfortable, where you feel in control. Don't chase complexity. It's better to have a simple but understandable strategy than a cool but incomprehensible one. The main thing is clear logic and repeatability. At the moment, the price rose significantly, but then a steady decline began, and we earned $430. Great result. As usual, of course. As I mentioned, the bot never makes mistakes. Now let's move on to the next currency pair. We select Euro/Swiss franc, request a signal, and receive confirmation from the bot. On the 5-minute time frame, we recommend opening a buy position. Open a position to go long and wait for the profit. Before investing real money, test the strategy on historical data and a demo account. This will give you experience and confidence. Don't just see if the trade worked. Record why you entered, what the conditions were, how the market behaved. Keep a trading journal. It's your tool for growth. If the strategy shows consistent results on at least 50 to 100 trades, you can start trying to implement it with larger volumes. And continue to record each trade, analyze them. It's not quick, but you'll understand what you're doing. In just 5 minutes, we earn a profit of $460. Once again, the bot didn't make a mistake and performed excellently. That's why we trust it again and request a signal for the same currency pair. We receive the same active buy signal. Without wasting time, we open a position to go long and continue working with the trend. If you're looking for real growth, come to us. In my private group, we trade daily, share experiences, and move towards our goals together. And to make it easier for you to start, I've prepared a free gift. Send me a private message, and I'll send it to you personally. By the way, good news, an update will soon be released in the bot, which will provide access to OTC assets. This means you'll be able to trade even on weekends. We are already testing everything and will launch soon. Subscribe to YouTube, give a like, and don't forget to hit the bell. All links are in the description. The biggest mistake is changing your strategy after every unsuccessful trade. That way, you'll never understand what works and what doesn't. Give the system time to prove itself. The second mistake is trading against your own nature. If you're uncomfortable, you'll make mistakes. And third, copying other strategies without understanding. You can be inspired, you can adapt it to yourself, but never blindly follow someone else's path. It's better to take a simple element, refine it to fit your style, and gradually build your own system. This is how a personal trading style is formed, one that is stable, reliable, and most importantly, delivers results. And once again, our bot performed excellently. You can see for yourself how confidently and strongly the price has risen. As a result, we made $460 in net profit. It doesn't get any better than this. I hope now you have fewer illusions and more understanding. Trading is not about luck. It's about system, discipline, and self-improvement. Strategy is your foundation. Without it, you're just a passenger on the market's waves. With it, you're the captain. Subscribe to the channel, give a like, and be sure to comment on what strategy you use, or where you want to start. See you in the next videos.